Earthwork volume calculation using Civil 3D. This is my surface with raw data. And I am going to create a cut fill volume report for this area up to a design level. Make sure we must have a boundary created with polyline. Just follow me. Go to surface and create a base surface. Make sure it is a tin surface. Again, go to surface and create a compare surface, so that we can calculate volume between two surface. Make sure it is a tin surface. After that, if we go to create a volume surface directly, let's see what happen. Make it a tin volume surface, and select your base surface and compare surface. Oops, this error message is showing because we have not import any data to our surfaces. Let's do this. Go to base surface and import point file. Surface is created and minimum and maximum elevation is showing. Then go to compare surface. And select break line option. I am going to select boundary for break line. Break line is going to create your compare surface. Give it a final elevation. Before selecting as break line, select the boundary line and put its elevation. In my case I am taking 51 meter. In compare surface, go to break line, click OK and select your boundary line. After that, just go to surface and create your tin volume surface. And select base surface. And compare surface that you have created earlier. Volume surface is now created. Then go to Analyze tab. Click on Volume Dashboard icon. A window will appear. Click on the Add Volume Surface icon and select your volume surface. Click OK. Boom. Cut fill volume is created. Cut volume, fill volume, net adjusted volume all are calculated within a fraction of second. If you want to print out report, then click Cut Fill Volume Report icon. Report will be generated and displayed in Internet Explorer. From here you can print out this report. AutoCAD Civil 3D will not generate any formula or Excel sheet for this calculation. They just give you the quantity in cubic meter. And if you want to generate this report on your drawing, click on a and icon and click in a blank space of your drawing. You are done. Thank you.